Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Minecraft squid. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video. And if you have any other different Minecraft animals you'd like to learn how to draw, definitely let me know because they're a lot of fun to try. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with our Minecraft squid, we're going to make it look like he's kind of swimming. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a nice little kind of diagonal line because we're going to put him at an angle. So we'll begin by just drawing a line that goes straight across at an angle. Next, I'm going to bring these two lines down. So we're just going to bring it down like this, and we'll bring the other one down here. And you can see I kind of brought them in just a bit. Then we just want to draw a line straight across. Now right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up, and we'll draw another little line that goes up at an angle. Then we just want to connect these. Now right about here, we want to make the eyes. So we're just going to start off with a straight line here. We're going to leave some space and another straight line. I'll make a line down and a line down here. We'll make another line down, one more here. Then just go straight across to connect them. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and over for the pupil, and another one that goes down and over. And then you can just color this part in really quick. Now starting here, let's begin with the first tentacle. So the first one's going to come straight down. So what we want to do is draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to make another line that's going to come down here with a little line across. Now starting here, we're going to make a line that comes out at an angle, and then another one here that comes out at an angle. I'm going to make a line that goes up, another one that goes up, kind of like a little arrow shape. Then we're just going to bring these right back to the body. So same thing here, we're going to go up at an angle and then up for a little arrow shape. Then we just want to bring these right back up here towards the body. And then get a little skinnier as they come towards the body as well. Now, starting out here, I'm going to put another one. So what I'm going to do is just draw a line that comes out. We'll make a line that goes down. And then I'm just going to bring it up. We'll make a line that comes up just a little bit here, and we'll bring this one back towards the body. We'll do the same thing over on this side. We'll make a little line that comes down. We'll go up, and then we're just going to bring this back up here. We'll make another line that goes up and bring it right back towards the body. Now if you want to, you can always add a few more little tentacles back here. I'm just going to leave it like this because I don't want it to get too crowded back here and look kind of confusing. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring my But there you go, there's your drawing of a Minecraft squid. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.